YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And we have here, coming from, not sure who. Let's see what's in the box. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And we got one of these guys. RockSpace AC 2100 dual band Wi-Fi repeater. Works with any Wi-Fi router. Easy setup. That's what we'll be doing. So you can have it anywhere. I'll probably have it in my spare bedroom set up. I think I need one there. Wireless router, Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, this is a good one. See, router here, and it'll connect there, or to whatever. Especially now, since we're all online, and better for gaming. Definitely do some watching Netflix and whatnot. Watch YouTube videos. Do some Twitch gaming. You'll be all set with one of these. So, take this thing out. If I could find a slot. There we go. Yeah, that was a doozy. Alright, guys. There's that. Flip. Load. There we go. RockSpace. We got the manual. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Here he is. There we go. Let's see what this thing could do. Looks really nice. Got the signal, the WPS power, and a WPS right there button. Ethernet. We got these antennas. Dual band. You can set it up like this. Kind of looks like a robot. Plug it in there. QR code. And then all we gotta do, actually I'll just plug it in here. I got an extra socket open, so might as well. I don't have to go anywhere. Just do it right now. Let me double make sure I don't need an app or anything like that. This manual out. Okay. Yeah, you gotta place in the extender, and the power will turn on. Use a Wi-Fi network manager on your client device, such as computer or Wi-Fi device, and connect to RockSpace_ext. That's what's gonna pop up. Then it's gonna enter a password. Then you could select a Wi-Fi network to extend. So I got a couple of these. And you can hook it up through the router like that with the Ethernet. So, alright guys, we're about to hop in. Should grab my tablet. And I can do that extender through the Wi-Fi. So hopefully you guys hit the like button and the subscribe button. That'll mean a lot. And come back and we'll be doing some giveaways pretty soon. Get that started, probably springtime. for you guys. So here we go. True test. Oh man, I gotta shut. Oh shoot. Lost lighting. This will be a few seconds. Okay. There it goes. Took a second. It's lit up. Right there. And let me grab my tablet and show you guys. And then once I set it up 2 seconds, I'll be ready to rock and roll. You guys will be all set. I might want to grab a couple, but I think one should be a good amount for like a small home or even a large home. You should be alright using this. But yeah, definitely see what other goodies they have to offer. So they got a lot of cool computer accessories, so you might want to browse around and see what they got. But if you like this item, just click the link down below, add it to your cart. Hey, Wi-Fi. Let's see, where is it? Right there. Connect it right there. Bada boom. Bada bing. Sign into the network. It's gonna ask you. Uh-oh. Excellent strength. Oh, I'm already connected. Look at that. Sweet. Here we go. Here we are. One more second. Gotta show you this. Ah, come on. There we go. Let's rock and roll, guys. Any second connected. And now. Okay, I had to put my password in. Now we are connected. So everything works great. Fast internet, great for downloads, uploads, and anything else in between. Like I said, all you guys gotta do is connect. Click the link down below, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you pretty fast. So you guys have a good night. I'm gonna disconnect it right now. I got plenty of these. And to show you guys again. RockSpace. This is AC 2100 dual band Wi-Fi repeater. So click the link, guys, and have a good night.